I welcome you all for today's class video lecture on the structure of a Java program. So this is the structure of Java program which has the document section at the top and the package statement following it. And after we can have import statement, interface statement, class definition and main method class and the main method definition. So, this is how the format or the order has to be followed while writing a Java program. Like we have in essay writing, introduction, body of the essay, and conclusion, we need to follow this order. And let's discuss one by one. In documentation section, it's an important section, but it is optional. It includes basic information about a Java program. It includes Java programming author who have created it and the author name, date of creation, version, program name, company name, and description of the program. Whatever we write in the documentation section, the Java compiler ignores the statements during the execution of the program. To write the statements in the documentation section, we use comments. The comments may be single line, multi line, and documentation comments. Single line comment. It starts with a pair of forwarding slash. So this is an example of using writing um, comment using the forwarding slash. This is for the single line comment. For the multi-line comment, we have like this. It starts and ends with the star slash. It starts with the slash star. It is an example of multi-line comment. We have n number of lines to be followed and the star slash. It is the symbol representing the multi-line comment. And we have specifically for documentation, we have the comment symbol slash double star and it ends with a single star slash for the documentation comment. Usually the comment line will not be executed. Package statement. A package is a group of class that are defined by a name. So in the structure of a program, we have discussed that the top post we have the documentation session, and next we have if any packages that we need to include, we can mention that statement. So what do you mean by package? That we all know that is a group of classes. Yes, if we want to include any package, then we can define in the next to the documentation section. That is if you want to declare any many classes within one element, then you can declare it within a package. It is optional part of the program. That is, if you do not want to declare any package, then there will not be no problem with it and you will not get any errors. So this section is not a compulsory one. If we want to include package, then we can add the statement. And here the package is a keyword that tells the compiler that package has been created. So we have mentioned the example. This is the package name. We have the keyword package. And then if there are import statements that need to be imported to the program that you want to get executed, then we can include that after the package statements get mentioned. So here we have the details of the import statements. The package contains the many predefined classes and interfaces. If we want to use any class of a particular package, we need to import that class. The import statement represents the class stored in the other package. We use the import keywords to import the class. It is written before the class declaration and after the package statement. So here we have, if we want to use date in a program, then we need to call this, we need to import the date class, which is mentioned in the Java utility library. When we mention java.util dot star, it represents all the classes and methods defined under that library will be imported and can be used in our program. This is for importing all the classes for the Java applet package. The next section is the interface statement. Interfaces are like a class that includes a group of method declarations. It is an optional section and can be used when the programmers want to implement multiple inheritance within a program. An interface is a lot similar to a class in Java, but it contains only constants and method declarations. An interface cannot be instantiated, but it can be implemented by classes or extended by other interfaces. So the interface keyword and then the stack, under that we have the operations. And then there the structure of Java program comes this class definition. This is the one which is an essential part of any Java program. It defines the information about the user defined classes in a program. A class is a collection of variables and methods that operate on the fields. Every program in Java will have at least one class with a main method. The main method class. So we know the main method is from the execution actually starts and follows the order specified for the following statements. There may be many classes in a Java program, and only one class defines the main method. Methods contain data type declaration and executable statements. So we may have many classes in a program, but there has to be a main method, yes, stated in any one of the classes, and from the main method, the execution is actually started. I hope you have all understood the concept that we have discussed today. That is, how to write a program in Java. We have discussed the structure, and I will meet you in the next video lecture. Thank you.